Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 8.8.7 and we're going to generate a Quota report. So you are the IT administrator for your company's Linus system. You need to generate a Quota report for your supervisor regarding the Quota usage for the system. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to use the applicable command to generate a Quota report for all 5 systems and answer the questions. All right, so we go ahead and start a lab and we wait for this lab to load. In the meantime, you might want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed video access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. So we're still waiting for this lab to load. Alright, so this lab has loaded successfully. We'll go ahead and open terminal and then type in rep quota. Is that it? Yeah, rep quota and space -a and you press enter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and answer the questions that follows. Which user does not have a quota limit? That will be root. What is the hard block limit for most users? So from the left pane, the answer will be, let's see. So we're actually getting information from the left pane. So let's see. Okay. So what is the soft block limit for most users? Soft block limit for most users is going to be 9216. What is the highest hard block limit? The highest hard block limit is going to be, let's see, from, okay, 204 480. All right, which user has the highest? Okay, that is it. Go ahead and start on Score Lab. If you find this video to be helpful, also consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. All right, so I guess that is all. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.